Hello everyone. Find the nature of roots of the given equation. Given equation x square minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Then we find the nature of roots of this equation. This equation implies we multiply 2 this. Then we have 2 into x square minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Then this is the next step. It will be 2 into x square twice x square. 2 into minus 1 by 2x is minus x, and 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1. Right hand side is equal to 0 into 2, 0. Now we compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard quadratic equation. Then we can say a is equal to 2, b is equal to coefficient of x is minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Now discriminant of this equation d, discriminant of this equation is equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore it will be b is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 1. Then it will be minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 2 8 minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Therefore d is greater than 0. Therefore d is b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. This implies b square greater than 4ac. So we know now we know if b square greater than 4ac, then the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two distinct real roots. So in this case, we have or get two distinct real roots. Answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, also subscribe my channel. Goodbye.